Hello everyone, I'm Wesley Bantugan, and today I will attempt to teach you the laws of gravity. Johannes Kepler made a series of 3 laws which define the laws of gravity. These laws are essential to understanding gravity, how it behaves, and patterns to identify gravity is at play. Isaac Newton also contributed to the laws of gravity. Newton helped by saying that if an object changes direction, it must be caused by a force. You know this by finding out how much the velocity has changed over a course of time multiplied by the mass of the object or inertia coefficient. This helped define why objects orbit each other. To build off Newton's discovery, Kepler found that orbits are elliptical, which is his first law of gravity. In case you didn't know, an ellipse is what is like a flattened circle. A common way to create an ellipse is you place 2 thumbtacks on a piece of paper, tie a string and attach it to the tacks. Pull the pencil taut with a string and turn it to make an ellipse. These 2 points on the tacks are called foci, singular focus. In space, the object getting orbited is one focus. We can prove this using a multitude of methods which I don't have time to get into right now. Kepler's second law we will show by using the Earth-Sun system. Using this, we'll take a time period, let's say 5 days, and create a point at the starting and ending point. Then do this 3 months later. After we create these points, make lines from the sun to these points, and then find the area of the 2 triangles created. We will find that these 2 areas are the same. This is true for any 2 points you can make over the same time period. Kepler's third law is related to the planets in comparison to each other. Kepler's rule is essentially that the time it took to complete an orbit was related to the size of the orbit. He also said how the times were the cube root of the size of the orbit, where the size of the orbit is the biggest diameter of the ellipse. Inertia plays an important role in this system. This is because using inertia, the Earth should continue onward forever. However, this does not happen. So Newton concluded that a force must be acting upon the object. He used the Jupiter and satellite system to prove this. He found that the amount of force by multiplying the mass of an object, like one of the satellites, times the amount of acceleration or speed, the object changes over time. He used this to prove that an unknown force is in the direction of Jupiter. In addition, the strength of this force was the inverse of the square of the distance. Why is this important? Well, in learning the laws of gravity and how we found them, we can determine the processes of the universe. We are able to find the laws which the universe follows to the end of time. This also allows you to figure out how images like this are completely wrong. I do encourage you to do more research on your own if you're interested. I'm Wesley, and thank you for watching.